You want to know what's in this tin and want to know how to make it? You'll definitely want to keep watching to find out. This recipe includes solid ingredients, so we're going to have to melt it down in order to get everything combined. I've started off by preparing my double boiler. First up is the meadowfoam seed oil, which is great for moisturizing, but it's really non-greasy. Next up is our cetyl alcohol flakes. Cetyl alcohol is an emollient which will help thicken up the balm a little bit. Let's sprinkle that in. After that is isopropryl myristate, which is another emollient which will help improve the dry down of the balm, so our hands don't get left with that greasy feeling. Now we can finish off with some super nourishing castor oil. Candelila wax, which will help firm everything up, and arrowroot powder to help mattify the formula. We won't be adding in our fragrance oil and vitamin E oil until everything has been completely melted down and starts to cool down again, so we can keep those set aside for now. I grabbed my stirring utensil so now I can stir continuously to help facilitate the melting down and make sure everything is liquefied. Okay, it looks like we've reached that point, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the container from the double boiler. Now that I'm at our target temp, we can add in our vitamin E oil. This will act as an antioxidant and extend the shelf life of our balm. When selecting a fragrance for a leave on your skincare product like this one, you'll absolutely want to make sure you're checking the IFRA limits to make sure it's skin safe for the levels you'll be using it at. It's easy to check the IFRA limits over at our web store. Just go ahead and click on the fragrance you want to review and the percentages will be there. That being said, I'll be using the AFI's Mango Butter. Now that's all together, I'm going to go ahead and stir it all up. Make sure it's well combined. Now let's package it up. These are perfect little tins for on the go and you'll be able to take this balm anywhere. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour this all in. Now let's let the balm cool a little bit before we pop on the lids. It costs us about $3 to fill up this 4-ounce tin. You might want to price it at about $4 to $6 for wholesale and $7 to $10 for retail. If you want more projects like this one, head on over to our channel and check out our DIY playlist. Oh, and if you've ever used one of our tutorials, tag us on our socials linked down below with your pictures of your creations. As always, we're so happy you decided to join us in the AFI DIY lab today. Don't hesitate to leave any comments or questions down below that you may have. Love hearing what you guys have to say. I really hope I get to see you guys again in the next one. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!